Hi, my name is Matt, and I've been a landscape contractor for 22 years, and I've built thousands upon thousands of square feet of retaining walls, and I've always thought that there should be an easier way, and now there is. I've created a product called Fiberbloxx, and we're going to install one and show you how much easier it is to do than actual retaining wall block or timbers. Whenever you're going to do a retaining wall, the first step is to find where the top of the wall is going to be. Then you'll take a tape measure down to the bottom, and you'll mark where the bottom is. Then we dig down 6 inches, and in that 6 inches we put pea gravel in it, and we'll tamp that down and get that level. And the reason why we do that is for drainage. Then once the pea gravel is level, we'll take the wall itself, put it up against the building, and bolt it to the side of the building. By that we use 3/8 inch anchor bolts. We just drill them in, tighten them, and then we're ready for the next step. We have a built-in cable system in the back that helps hold it in place, and we use stakes that we pound through the cable system, and that locks it down and will not let it go left, right, forward, backward, anything. Once we get that done, we use pea gravel, and we put pea gravel up against the Fiberbloxx product, and the reason we do that is for proper drainage. The water will hit that pea gravel and it'll drain down behind the wall properly. Behind the pea gravel, we use a good fill sand, and we tamp both of them as we go up. And once we get that all the way to the top grade, then we're ready for our finished product around that, whether it's going to be mulch, rock, whatever. It took the three of us less than 25 minutes to install our Fiberbloxx product, and you can see you can't budget. We believe it's better than a retaining wall, and it's going to save you time and money by using the Fiberbloxx product.